Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Mr. Riley from Mr. Riley's World, coming to you live from the West Coast, the best coast, the West Side. Hey, everyone, what's going on? So this is day eight of CEDA. We have gone live, well, not really live, but a combination of live and recorded video for CEDA, which is create every day in the month of April. And so, yeah, we've been just kind of doing this thing, CEDA or LEDA or VEDA, whatever the case might be, just going live, recording content every single day in the month of April. So today is day 8, and so happy that you are here with me right now. So in this particular video, I just want to continue my Friday series of date night. And so, something I call something me and the wife look forward to. Date night. We do our thing on Friday nights and just have some fun, just reconnecting. And do me a favor, in the comments below, tell me what is your favorite Friday or, maybe day of the week activity you like to do, or you like to have fun with your significant other, whether that's a date or, you're going to the movies, going fishing, walk on the beach, whatever the case might be. Go ahead and drop some comments down below. That way I can know what is your favorite date night or just activity that you like to do, hanging out with friends and families. For me, I like to hang out with my wife as well as my friends and families, but we make sure that every Friday we connect, or Monday. We used to have our date nights on Mondays, but we kind of switch it over to Friday night. So this is I think video number two. In the video before, matter of fact, this video right here, we went to Casa Sanchez and had a wonderful time. And you can catch that video and see what we did. And so let's go ahead. I'll tell you what we did actually before I show you the piece of content that I put together. For this particular Friday, we chose to go out and just simply have a date at the movie theater. So we went to our local Cineplex here, Cinemark, which is about less than 5 miles away. And we just had a good time just kind of watching the show. And I can't remember the name of the show. I'm sure my wife or I will say it in the video that I'm about to play for you right now. So just go ahead and check it out. This is our date night video. Hey, babe, what is tonight?
COVID night.
COVID night. Not COVID night.
I mean,
It's date night, right?
yeah.
Day night. Day night.
Okay, right. It's date night
Date
for
night.
CEDA or CEDA or VEDA or LEDA.
Oh, you were watching, huh? What you saying?
I said sit here because there are no people.
No people.
No.
No people?
It's just you and me.
Yep.
And nobody.
Nobody right there.
No.
Date night.
And nobody. They have to go down. They're down there.
Yeah. All right. About to enjoy this movie. What movie are we seeing?
I don't know.
The Lost City.
Oh, okay.
Better be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is what it is.
Popcorn.
Free popcorn. All right. Date night is over.
It is
What do we see?
the Lost City.
Lost City. Go check it out. Kind of sappy, but
It's a trip though, like how empty the movie theater is on a Friday night.
yeah, real empty. Anyway,
Super empty.
this is how we spend our day night. Yes, sir.
This one anyway.
This one anyway. Yeah. Tune in next week. See what we did.
Where are we going next week?
Don't know.
We gonna go pool day?
Oh, that's it. What? Let me shut this video off.
Saturday.
Peace out, y'all. So there we go, man. It was just again just a wonderful time out there hanging out and just kind of reconnecting. Channing Tatum and Sandra Bullock in The Lost City. Like I said, it's kind of sappy. It was a cool movie. As you saw, the movie theater was kind of empty. I don't know if that was because people weren't interested in watching the movie or because, people still coming back from COVID. I'm not too sure because I don't know what's going on. I know several weeks ago when we went to go watch the Batman movie, it was kind of crowded. And so I'm not too sure. Maybe it was still early on a Friday night. And so, but yeah, we were just hanging out there. We usually like the premium seating where we can have the food being brought to us. And speaking of food, and I kind of gave you a small heads up, I wasn't really hungry. We get free popcorn already included, so we got our popcorn, a bag of popcorn. We ordered a drink. We usually share a soft drink or something. And, I really wasn't that hungry. But I decided to get some, chicken tenders or whatever and some french fries, right? And so I was kind of disappointed when I first saw what they brought to me. I'm like, what the heck is this? What is this? The theater was kind of dark at this point, and I was just like, I don't know. I don't know if I should, I might need to complain or something, right? But I ended up eating the chicken tenders and the fries, and they were actually pretty good. It had a little side of barbecue sauce. But here is the technology in what we did that particular night. And so here's a different photograph of the actual chicken tenders, right? And so I just used the same technique that I used last week at Casa Sanchez because it was a dark movie theater. And even though it wasn't that many people in the theater, I didn't want to use my flash because I didn't want people to think that I was kind of flashing or trying to screen record the actual movie. So what I just did is I asked my wife for her cell phone, turn up her brightness all the way up. And yeah, I could do that because no one was sitting next to us. Like I said, the theater was really kind of empty. And so we were on the top row. And so, wasn't going to distract anyone. And so I just simply took her phone, turned up the brightness, shine the phone onto my meal, to the chicken tenders and the french fries there, and just kind of captured with my iPhone 13. And so, of course, it has that low light mode. And so, the brightness was enough to kind of capture this particular image. So, the French fries and the chicken tenders ended up being pretty nice, and so I was kind of satisfied. Like I said, we shared a soft drink. So, all in all, it was a wonderful night. And the main thing is, just kind of connecting with the wife and having some fun. And like I said earlier, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite date night activity with your significant other? And just kind of love to see the comments. What do you guys do? Do you have some other ideas of what we should do on our date nights? Go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and I'll check those out. All right. As always, I appreciate you watching, and if you haven't done so already, why don't you do this? Why don't you go ahead and like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then that way you'll be notified anytime I drop a brand new video, especially if you hit that notification bell. All right. Well, that's it in this video, coming live to you. Well, not maybe live, but recorded video coming to you live from the West Coast, the best coast. I am Mr. Riley from MrRileysWorld. And thank you for watching, and God bless. And I will catch you in the next video. All right. Peace out.